Hello and welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla. So guys, Omicron cases in India, they are being increased with a very rapid pace. Guys, here you can see India has recorded over 300 Omicron cases so far, with Maharashtra reporting 65 cases, followed by Delhi 64 cases, Telangana and Tamil Nadu 38 and 34 cases respectively, whereas Karnataka and Kerala confirmed 31 and 29 cases. Guys, in the view of Omicron, a meeting was conducted, and the meeting PM Modi chairs COVID-19 review meeting. Center tells state going for polls to ramp up vaccination. COVID-19 active cases, here you can see Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced a night curfew in the state from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Amid fresh concern raised by the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday held a review meeting on the COVID-19 situation in the country, while the center asked the states to consider imposing local restriction ahead of the festive season. States were also advised to vigilant and minor case positivity, doubling rate and clusters of new cases across districts. Guys, it's just few days ago when IBPS was conducting IBPS clerk or PO examination, we were discussing here one cases and two cases have been found. So far 3 cases have been found, and now the case is over 300. And guys, what I will say that on this, please don't go here and there unnecessarily. जब भी जाइए जब आपका काम पड़ता है, and please get vaccinated as soon as possible. At least your body efficiency will be increased. So you will have enough efficiency to fight against this coronavirus. Guys, Omicron cases are being increased, and yes, there may be the condition of the lockdown if the third wave will arise. PM Modi also told in the meeting there may be the condition of the lockdown also in the January and February. So in order to avoid that, please impose the local restriction in your state. All the ministers of the state have been told about this. Please start imposing some restrictions. So guys, this is what update I wanted to give you. Yes, there may be the condition of third wave as well if these cases will not be stopped, or इस कोरोना वायरस को अगर ये नहीं रोका गया ओमिक्रॉन केसेस को, बिकॉज ऑल पीपल आर सेइंग कि बाय द जनवरी और फरवरी वी कैन सी द कोविड थर्ड वेव. So guys, please don't go here and there, and get vaccinated as soon as possible. Take care guys, take care of yourself and your family as well.